Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment, Ask Me, and I'll try to answer. The informations of this video are from Google search and wisermarket.com. Our topic for today is how to use a song without copyright infringement. Infringement, according to Oxford, means the action of breaking the terms of a law or agreement. And according to wisemarket.com, copyright infringement refers to as piracy. Is the violation of someone's copyright by use of work protected by copyright law without the permission of the copyright holder. These are the steps to be taken if you want to use songs on YouTube without copyright infringement. Number 1. Check if the work requires permission. Number 2. If it does, find who owns the copyright. Number 3. Identify the rights that you need so you can use the song. Number 4. Contact the owner and submit a request. Number 5. Get approval. This is normally a quote with a license fee. And number 6. Get the permission contract in writing and keep it in your files. Just make sure you get permission to multiple owners. Songs written in collaborations have multiple copyright owners. I hope you got some idea about copyright infringements in this topic, and this is where I got to the information of this video from Google search and wisermarket.com. A million thanks to all my channel members. They are Katoto Kamotor Vlog, Ganya Official, Anji TV, Bert Lambojo, Mirasol Idlon TV, and Ruch Joel. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.